Welcome back, guys. Hadn't done a video in a while, so I figured I'd just let you know what I've been up to. Today I'm working on the VW Jetta 2001. It's got the VR6 engine. Have a little AC problem. Has a leak. Okay, all the refrigerant's gone. Alright, so what I did to find the leak is all the refrigerant's gone. I didn't have no nitrogen, so I went ahead and put some compressed air. How did I do that? So basically I took my gauge set, I hooked it up, and then I took the compressed air, pushed it in there, got 100 psi pressure. Closed off the valves. Held pretty good. Okay, so then I came back, used an ultrasonic leak detector. So I used that with my headphones. I went around, couldn't find nothing on the top side. Then I came under the car, jacked it up, got underneath, and right around on the receiver dryer, here up under the bottom, I had a leak. I could hear it on the ultrasonic leak detector. Came back with some bubbles, sprayed on it, saw little bubbles coming out. That verified I had a leak, so I had a bad O-ring. Now I play on the top side. Of course there's an O-ring, so I'm going to replace that. Now this here has been out for a little bit as far as the AC system, so this here receiver dryer, you know, the filter inside is pretty much saturated, so you go ahead and replace that. We're there now. So I'm going to replace this here receiver dryer. But let me tell you what you got to do to get to this thing. Now you can easily get to the bolt under the bottom of the car, no problem. But to get to this bolt on the top, there's no way you can get to it. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to take all the bolts out to get this here front of the car and what they call the service position. So you're going to have to pull this carrier out. So I've got these the carrier sitting on two guide rods. I'll put a link in the description of this video if you want to see what's involved, because I've taken this off before. Then you can see what's involved. Now this thing lives over here on the passenger side, and here's this clamp right here. So you can see there's a clamp, there's a bolt that goes through it, and this thing right here will sit down inside of that clamp. Now this is one of the lines. It's coming off from the condenser, coming off the outlet of the condenser, and then there's another line that comes under the bottom, bolts under the bottom of this here receiver dryer. So like I said, I'm going to be replacing both O-rings. I'm going to replace this here for receiver dryer, and we're going to evacuate the system, put a charge on it, and then we should be good to go. So anyway, just to let you know what I've been doing, to keep you guys informed. So you guys take care, and we'll see you in the next one.